What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to take a look at some cool things that I have gotten on Amazon recently. I spend a lot of money on Amazon. Someone probably should take away my Prime membership, but just the fact that I can search on Amazon and click buy now and then have it show up at my door in 2 days is just really cool. It's really crazy. I have a problem. I get a lot of packages. I mean, shoot, dude. The first thing I want to show everyone that I've got on Amazon is these lights behind me that you can see. So these are LED strips, but they're not your typical LED strips that just go one color. These actually have a special chip inside that it's called the RGBIC chip. And basically what it allows it to do is it allows the LEDs to be controlled individually, so you can have multiple colors at the same time, or you can have cool patterns like this. So they can go fast. This is as fast as they can go, which in person is actually almost too fast. The camera may not pick it up. You can totally DIY it. There you go. You can totally DIY it and do almost anything you could possibly think of. Like, this is called the meteor shower, and it's really cool. You can change these colors, so you see how it's red, green, and blue. Well, what if I want red, green, and purple? Well, I can have that. I just click apply, and boom, now we have purple up in there. So you can really pick whatever colors you want and do whatever you want with these. It's really, I mean, this is not sponsored, and they do not pay me for this. I don't get any money. I don't even, like, the company doesn't even know I exist. So these are the absolute coolest LED strips that you can get. I mean, just hands down, they're some of the coolest. The possibilities really are endless. Let me zoom in a little bit here, I think. There we go. So next up on my list is actually an accessory for the GoPro. So if you're like me, you have the GoPro Hero 9, and I bought this with the bundle, so I got an extra battery, and it's been great. But, like, what's the point of an extra battery if you can't have it charging the same time as your other battery? So, you know, you have two full charge batteries. Because with this, you have to charge it inside the GoPro, so you can only charge one at a time. So you charge one, and then you have to charge a whole other one, so it's like double the length. So I, like, probably like you, I went on GoPro's website, and I tried to find a alternative to the expensive. So I went on the GoPro's website, and I searched for a battery charger, and they have a battery charger that can charge 3 batteries. The problem is it costs like $40, and it comes with an extra battery, and I was going to purchase it. I was about to click OK, because with my GoPro membership, it's only like $37. I was about to click OK, let's purchase it, and then I went to check out, and they charged me like $15 in shipping. So it was like over $50, it was like $55 for a charger and a battery. I said, wait a dang minute. Let me go to Amazon. Same thing. This is a battery charger that can fit 3 batteries, just like the GoPros. So no, it does not come with a GoPro battery, but I wouldn't want to buy an Amazon battery anyway. If I was going to buy an actual battery, I'd go to GoPro, and that's worth it. But for this, it does the same thing. It has LEDs right here that can tell you when it's full, when it's done. It stops charging when it's full, and it charges them as fast as they would and anything else. And the best part is they don't fall out when they are in there, and you can, like, jiggle them around and they don't fall out. To get that battery charger was the same price as the GoPro's shipping. $16, delivered in 2 days with Amazon. It's definitely worth it if you have a GoPro with any more than 1 battery. It's also definitely worth it to get more than 1 battery, just so you don't have to charge every single time, because GoPro Hero 9 with that 5K and that hyper smooth, the battery does kind of go fast, unfortunately, but you have 2 batteries, you have a really good amount of recording time. So that is all for today. I have a special few things back there for my next video, and I hope you guys subscribe and like and comment. And if there's anything you want me to order to review, please let me know. I'll be happy to place an order on a few things if people actually want me to. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. I'm not gonna do it. Peace. I did it, yeah.